In this desert circle, radio signals suddenly stop working completely. Compasses spin erratically, and no single science fully explains why. In the desert of northern Mexico lies the enigmatic Zone of Silence, known locally as El Zona del Silencio, spanning 50 kilometers wide. Here, television signals die out. Cell phones completely lose reception. Even standard AM radio broadcasts go completely quiet across this region.
Scientists have rigorously studied this geographic anomaly for over 50 years.
They have formulated many plausible theories, yet no single definitive answer.
Today we analyze modern geology and physics data from 2026. We will explore 5 distinct scientific mysteries of this unique region.
What causes a large patch of desert to suddenly go silent?
Mystery number 1. The unexplained radio signal blackout inside the zone.
Drive directly into the zone and your car radio instantly fades out.
Satellite phones drop connections, and GPS signals become severely weak. The primary theory points to heavy magnetic minerals buried underground. Rock formations here contain abundant hematite and high magnetite levels. Dense iron deposits can absorb and bend high-frequency radio waves. However, field tests reveal surface magnetism is not uniformly strong enough.
Magnetism alone cannot explain total loss of shortwave communications.
Signals mysteriously disappear even across completely flat, open valleys. Researchers continue searching for the hidden physics behind signal absorption. Why do high-frequency waves suddenly vanish into thin desert air?
The radio blackout remains one of the area's primary anomalies.
Yet radio interference is only the beginning of the story.
This brings us to the second surrounding phenomenon.
Mystery number 2. The unusually high frequency of falling meteors.
In 1970, an American test rocket veered off course here.
The rocket crashed directly into the heart of the zone. Long before that, scientists discovered abundant meteorites across this terrain.
The density of space rock falls exceeds other comparable desert regions.
Laboratory analysis confirms rare extraterrestrial iron-nickel crystal structures. Some researchers hypothesize localized microgravitational variations affect the area. While insufficient to pull objects down, subtle forces attract space debris. Is the Zone of Silence a natural magnet for space fragments? Geologists continue measuring gravitational density across all impact sites.
Subsurface radar mapping reveals ancient buried iron meteorite fragments.
These frequent cosmic collisions deepen the mystery of this landscape.
Yet minerals from space are not the only unusual element here. Living organisms in this desert display unexpected physical variations.
Mystery number 3. Unusual biological variations in local flora.
Native wildlife species, including rare tortoises, exhibit unique behavioral traits.
Soil tests reveal elevated levels of natural uranium inside rocks.
The low-level radiation is natural, coming from underground uranium deposits. Energy exposure over generations causes unique natural adaptations in cactus plants. Pigment changes make several local cacti turn distinct shades purple. Biologists study whether radiation levels influence electromagnetic sensitivities in desert hares.
Genetic sequencing reveals specific stress-adapted heat proteins in desert species.
Animals navigate this environment without reliance on typical geomagnetic orientation.
Could ground radiation interact with atmospheric electronic signals in air?
Researchers continue analyzing how ecosystems thrive under environmental anomaly conditions. The biological secrets of this zone remain partially unmapped today. Yet the ground itself holds an even more direct physical puzzle.
Mystery number 4. The complex magnetic field anomalies underground.
Standard magnetic compasses fail completely in various pockets here. The soil contains dense pockets of magnetite ore scattered unevenly.
These mineral veins create localized magnetic gradients across the valley.
The anomaly is non-uniform. Some spots remain surprisingly normal. Moving just 10 meters can drastically alter compass readings.
Geophysicists compare the region to a fractured giant surface magnet. This magnetic patchwork readily explains erratic magnetic compass behavior.
However, patchy magnetism alone cannot explain absolute radio silence.
Another atmospheric mechanism must interact with ground geology simultaneously.
To solve this, atmospheric scientists examine unique local climate layers. Mystery number 5. The complex atmospheric temperature inversion effect.
Extreme desert heat by day transitions into freezing night air.
This sharp thermal gradient creates an atmospheric reflection ceiling above.
Radio waves bounce away instead of penetrating down to receivers. Combined with iron rocks below, it forms a natural Faraday cage. Radio frequencies cannot easily enter or exit this natural shield.
Atmospheric data gathered in 2026 strongly supports this dual effect theory. The interplay between air density and geology creates isolated dead zone conditions. This rare combination occurs in very few geographic locations worldwide. It transforms this remote landscape into a living laboratory for geophysics. So what is the final conclusion behind these 5 mysteries?
The answer lies in a rare combination of natural phenomena. Magnetic minerals, thermal inversions, meteors, and unique regional geology. No single supernatural cause, but overlapping natural factors working together. The zone of silence is not supernatural. It is complex earth science.
Every scientific survey uncovers deeper insights into our planet's forces. Which mystery of the zone of silence fascinates you most?
Share your thoughts and scientific theories in the comments below. Radio waves bounce away instead of penetrating down to receivers.
Join us as we continue investigating mysterious phenomena around the world. Nature continually reminds us how much we still have to learn.
Every anomaly holds clues to understanding our complex Earth mechanisms. The silence of Mapami continues to echo across modern physics. And remember, sometimes silence is the loudest question of all.